My heart! Oh, my heart! I can't go on. Help me, my little wings can't make it.
Maybe you should wait here for me.
This is a fabulous idea. I really think we should fly with that.
Only, why don't you stay here with me?
It's okay, really. I'll be right back.
Why do I not believe you?
Coming in your quadrant, Pete.
All done here.
How about you, Willie?
Bonito, good buddy.
How about you, Zach? Zach! Zach!
Yeah, what's the big deal?
You finished marking those trees yet?
I'm getting to it.
Son of a cow, sheesh.
This city kid comes up here for a summer job.
He doesn't take it seriously.
Tell you one thing, that kid don't belong in the woods.
Freaky.